everyone, this is Prabha Singh and today we're gonna talk about most important English vocabulary which is related to when you're laughing. Because most of the pupils when they laugh in front of you that has a particular word to say. When someone is laughing on your suffering, when you are in suffer and they are laughing that has a particular word. When you're laughing in your mind that has a particular word. So today we will discuss most important English vocabulary when someone is laughing in front of you, that which kind of style you will use, which kind of word you will say to him, please don't like this. So that has a particular word. So today we will discuss most important English vocabulary which is related to when you are laughing. So let's get started. Our first word is here chuckle. Chuckle means when you are laughing, close your mouth. When you are laughing, close your mouth like this. That is the chuckle and chuckling. Because both have same mean. Most of the people say chuckle and some of them says chuckling. So both are right. So any word you can use. Okay. Next word is here snicker. Snicker means when someone is telling you story about him that with him has happened something bad and you are laughing on that condition. Okay. Suddenly in front of me fall down and he suffered so much, he hurts on his leg, but I'm laughing on him. So that is a snicker. I am fall down and you're laughing and you are snickering on me. I am fall down and you are snickering on me. मतलब मैं गिर गया और तुम मुझ पर हंस रहे हो. Instead of laugh, you should have to use this word snicker. Next word is here giggle. Third word is here giggle. Giggle means you can say when you are laughing he करके like a child he करके हंसते हैं ना उनका he because we have not any word so when we are laughing and we will feel the sound he करके हंसता है because it's the habit when you are saying to children they will do movement and they will laugh. So that is the giggle. Okay, and next word is here split your guts. Split your guts means होता है when you are laughing open your mouth, because it's the habit of most of the pupils when if you have felt something a good moment with you then you will life split your गट्स. मतलब पूरा मुंह फाड़ कर हंसते हैं ना, जो उसको बोलते हैं स्प्लिट योर गट्स. प्लीज डोंट स्प्लिट योर गट्स. पूरा मुंह फाड़ के मत हंसो. एंड फिफ्थ वर्ड इज ईयर स्नॉर्टिंग. स्नॉर्टिंग मीन्स होता है कि हाफ कर हंसना. स्नॉर्टिंग मीन्स होता है हाफ कर हंसना. ओके, समवन हैज़ लिसनड अबाउट यू and someone listen something funny moment when he is crossing or he is going anywhere and he is running and he is snorting. मतलब वो हाँफ रहा है और हाँफ कर बता रहा है कि ऐसा कुछ हुआ, हंस भी रहा है और हाँफ भी रहा है. दैट इज द स्नॉर्टिंग. ओके, एंड नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज हियर बस्ट इनटू. बस्ट इनटू मीन्स यू कैन से हंसी टूट पड़ना. ओके, व्हेन यू आर सिटिंग इन एनी काइंड ऑफ प्लेस and there has not any kind of activity but you are missing that moment, it was happened with me and you suddenly you burst into. अब अचानक से हंसने लग जाते हो. दैट इज द बस्ट इनटू, कि जब अचानक से आपकी हंसी फूट जाती है बिकॉज यू आर मिसिंग दैट मूवमेंट, इट वॉज हैपन्ड विद मी. सो दैट्स द वर्ड बस्ट इनटू. आवर सिक्स्थ वर्ड इज हियर लाफ अप स्लीप. लाफ अप स्लीप मीन्स you can say when you are laughing in your mind. When you are laughing in your mind, जब आप मन ही मन हंस रहे हो because you are missing to that moment. It can be, I'm not talking about burst into. Burst into is that moment because nothing is happening in front of you but you are missing that something in your mind and you're laughing. So that is the burst into. But it's a different when you're laughing. Laugh up sleep when you are laughing in your mind. Laugh up sleep means मन ही मन जब आप हंसते हो. Okay, and next word is here break into. Break into means be you can say when you are laugh suddenly. When nothing is happening in front of you, that has also particular word like burst into, but there has a word burst into means you are something missing, and break into means you can say when something is happening and when you're sitting silently and someone in front of you do some kind of activity and you laugh. ब्रेक इनटू मतलब आपको एकदम से हंसी आ जाती है उस चीज़ के लिए. ओके, एंड नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज हियर नो बाउंड्स. नो बाउंड्स मीन्स होता है कि व्हेन यू हैव नो बाउंडेशन ऑफ योर लाफ. जब आपकी खुशी का कोई ठिकाना नहीं है देन यू विल से नो बाउंड्स. Okay, when someone is told me that you have selected for the government job, so I'll say oh my god I'm selected for the government job. I have no bounds. मेरी खुशी का कोई ठिकाना नहीं है. I have no bounds. मेरी खुशी का कोई ठिकाना नहीं है. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज योर टीटर. टीटर मीन्स होता है when you're laughing, चुपचाप से आप हंस रहे हो. like you are doing your face there and keeping your hand on your mouth and you're laughing. That is the teeter. Okay, and next word is here chortle. Chortle means you can say when you are laughing with happy moment, not dikhawati. When you are happy in your mind, because your face will be show and your face will look that you are very chortle कि आप बहुत खुश हो and you are laughing with happiness. Okay, that is the chortle, मतलब खुशी से हंसना. Next word is your simple. Simple means you can say when you are not feeling to laugh, when someone is telling about your funny moment but you are not feeling to laugh, आपको हंसी नहीं आ रही है because you are trying to simper, आप ज़बरदस्ती हंसने की कोशिश कर रहे हो, that is the simper, which means दिखावटी हंसी. And next word is yeah braying. Braying means braying. This word you can use for the man because when they laugh उनकी आवाज़ में कर्कश सी होती है, ऐसे अजीब से आवाज़ करके हंसते हैं. braying. They are making noise also and उनकी वॉइस में एक अलग सी चीज़ होगी जब वो हंस रहे हैं. दैट इज़ द ब्रेइंग. ओके, ब्रेइंग मीन्स होता है व्हेन यू आर लाफिंग इन रफ टोन में जब आप हंसते हो. जीयर मीन्स जीयर. ओके, आई एम टेलिंग यू जीयर. स्कॉफ, दे बोथ हैव सेम मीन. जीयर एंड स्कॉफ, दे बोथ हैव सेम मीन because that's the same particular word when you're laughing on others. When you are laughing on others because when you are laughing on other and criticizing to others, जब आप किसी पर हंस रहे हो, that is the jeer and scoff. Both have same mean. Okay, when you are laughing on others, I'm not talking about sneaker. Sneaker has particular words. Here is this is the different word when you are laughing on others. Jeer and scoff, both are same. Next word is here bantering. Bantering means you can say when you are sitting in the group and when you are sitting in the group and you are bantering with your friends, जब आप हंसी मजाक करके हंस रहे हो, someone is joking you and you're laughing, that is the bantering. And next word is here chortle. Cackle. Cackle means होता है ठहाका मार के हंसना. कुछ लोगों की आदत है because if you have seen in the park, if they are doing exercise, they are ha ha ha, that is the cackle. Cackle means होता है जब आप ठहाका मारकर हंस रहे हो. Next word is your beam. Beam, this word we will use when someone is sad with you and you will say please beam, please show me your beam. आप थोड़ा सा मुस्कुरा दो. That is the beam. Thank you so much for watching my video. This is so beautiful words, and when you will speak this word, obviously you feel good so much and your English will be so improved. When someone is laughing you, when someone is criticizing you, do that which kind of word you will use. So you should have to do practice regularly. Thank you so much for watching my video.